Hey beauty queens! So today I wanted to do a video. Actually, this video was inspired by the NYX Cosmetics Away We Glow collection because first of all, that name is just too adorable. Like, I love that name and that idea, Away We Glow, and I just thought this would be like a cute little summer kind of tutorial, maybe for like a summer night out, because we all know that during summertime sometimes a little bit too hot during the day to wear all this makeup, but if you're going out at night it might be nice. And I used their highlighter drops and their eyeshadow palette as well, and I love it and I think it's so cute. So I'm just gonna get right into the tutorial and show you guys how I did it. Okay, so just like every other Madison tutorial starts, I'm gonna start with eyes. So my brows are already done, of course, and I'm gonna use the Away We Glow NYX palette. So this is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty. It's like so up my alley. It's like neutrals. It's got a little bit of shimmer in here, a little bit of browns, a little bit of mauve colors, so it's really pretty. So the first color that I'm gonna go in with, of course, is this like toasty, like, what would you call this? It's like a, I don't know, it's like kind of like a caramel brown. So it doesn't have a name. This is just number 7 eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna put this in my crease basically. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Lancome eyeshadow, and this is the color Design Shadow in Mirage. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a deep brown. It's really pretty, and I'm just gonna put this in my crease as well and on my outer corners. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Away We Glow again, and I'm just gonna use this little like bronze color that they have in here. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but this is like a little bronzy shade, and I'm just gonna use my finger to apply this because I feel like I'm gonna get better payoff like that. So let's do it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna speed up the rest of the video because I'm not really gonna be using any like crazy new techniques. So I'm just gonna speed it up, and if I need to, I'll just do a little voiceover for you guys.